The shops.
Today the women are going to Oxford Street to shop. Both of the girls and my wife are going. They don't want Simon and me with them. Thank goodness. Women are terrible shoppers. They spend a lot of time and they only buy a few things. I only spend a little time and I buy a lot of things. Sometimes my wife shops all day and she doesn't buy anything. She tries on clothes all day and then doesn't bring anything home. This seems mad. She's too fussy. She only likes a few colours. She only likes blue, green and yellow. Her favourite colour is either blue or green. I don't know which one. She doesn't like red and pink. They're too bright. They don't suit her. And brown and grey aren't bright enough. Oh, she's fussy.
A big department store.
This isn't Oxford Street.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't. Sheila's right. This is Knightsbridge. First we're going to a big department store to shop.
What are we looking for?
Oh, I don't know. Clothes or food or jewellery. We can buy anything there.
I haven't got much money. Is it an expensive shop?
Yes, it is.
Do they sell books?
Yes. Which book are you looking for?
I want a book about jazz to give to Simon. His birthday's soon.
But he's got a lot of books.
I know, but he hasn't got many books about jazz.
Lipstick.
Can I help you?
Yes, I want a lipstick.
Red?
No, I'd prefer either orange or pink.
We've got a lot of pink lipsticks, but we haven't got many orange ones. Pink seems very popular this year. Do you like this one?
No, that looks a little too bright. Which colour are you wearing?
I'm wearing pretty pink. Would you like to try it?
Oh, yes, it suits you. Yes, I'd like that one. How much is it?
35 pence.
And how much are those bottles of perfume?
£1 each. How many would you like?
I'd like one of them. Dresses.
I look awful in this blue dress. It's too long and it's not bright enough.
No, you're wrong. You don't look awful. It's a lovely dress, and you look very pretty in it.
No, I don't. I'm trying on the orange dress.
Oh, Jane, orange is too bright.
No, it isn't. Orange suits me. This dress looks nice.
I don't like it.
Why?
Because it's too short.
And, Mum, I've got a lot of blue dresses, but only a few orange ones.
Ah, here's Sheila. Ask her.
Jane, you look very pretty. Is she buying that dress, Mrs. Hunt?
Well, both of you like it? Yes, she's buying it.
After lunch.
Where are we going after lunch?
We can go to the shops in Oxford Street. Sheila, do you like big shops? I like some of them, but I prefer small shops. Most of the department stores are too big for me. Jane likes all of them. All of her new things are from a big shop.
Yes, I've got 2 books, a dress, a skirt, a blouse, and some scarves.
How many scarves have you got?
4. One of them's for me, and 3 of them are for friends.
Which scarf's for you?
Either the brown one or the green one.
What have you got, Mrs. Hunt? Nothing. Nothing? Buy something.
Yes, after lunch. But we haven't got much time now.
फुटबॉल फुटबॉल खेळाचं जरा वर्णन ऐकूया.
Football.
Look, Simon, the teams are coming onto the field. Have you ever seen Arsenal?
No, I haven't.
What about Jane? Has she ever seen a football match?
No, she's never seen one. She doesn't like football. Have your parents ever seen a professional game?
No, they haven't seen any professional games.
Which ones are Arsenal?
They're in red and white.
Who's kicking off?
Liverpool.
Are both teams good this season?
Yes.
Which one's better?
Liverpool are usually better than Arsenal, but this year Arsenal are the best in the division.
Do they ever lose?
Oh, yes. They sometimes lose, but they usually win. They don't often have a bad day.
Which team do you support?
I've always supported Arsenal.
Me too. Dad's never liked Arsenal.
A goal. Liverpool haven't scored yet. What's wrong?
I'm not worried yet. They've only been on the field for half an hour. This is only the first half.
Look, there's more. He's running up the wing. He's good.
No, he isn't. He's bad. He's worse than the other winger.
He's already scored one goal for Arsenal. Oh, look! He's near the penalty area. And there's Blair. He's Liverpool's worst defender. He's tackling more.
That's not Blair. That's Blake. He's Liverpool's best player.
Collins is better than Blake. Look! Moore's in the penalty area now. He usually scores. Yes! Look at that! A goal!
What's the score now?
Arsenal 2, Liverpool 0. What a game!
आशा आहे या व्हिडिओमधील टॉपिक तुम्हाला समजले असतीलच. अजून पुढील व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि इतर पालकांना आणि विद्यार्थ्यांना शेअर करून पुढील व्हिडिओसाठी आम्हाला प्रोत्साहित करा.